UDP MLA and Cabinet Minister of the MDA2 government, Paul Lyngdoh, commented on the Voice of the People's Party (VPP), stating its confinement to just 4 constituencies in East Khasi Hills District, contrasting with the UDP and HSPDP's presence in at least 14 constituencies statewide. Paul Lyngdoh, while addressing reporters on the 27th of March 2024, emphasized that the VPP is merely a district-level party while the Indian National Congress in Meghalaya has weakened. He asserted that this situation would benefit Robert June Kharjaran, the Regional Democratic Alliance candidate from the UDP and HSPDP, in winning the upcoming MP Lok Sabha election for the Shillong parliamentary seat scheduled to be held on the 19th of April 2024.
A lot of people say a lot of things, but this government and some of the elected representatives who continue to be in the assembly have worked silently for the good of the people, for their upliftment. We do not make a hue and cry about it. I take a lot of decisions on file which is in the interest of the people. Now, I cannot sign every file and then go to the rooftop of the secretariat and shout that, look what I have done. You know, only very immature people would do that. And for a party to even call itself a regional party, you would at least have to have a statewide presence, which is something that the VPP lacks. Well, politics itself is in a very fluid state. There are constant changes happening. Even as we speak, some voters will decide that, all right, yesterday I thought NPP, but today I changed my mind. So there is a constant state of flux in politics. And we can only get to the real final assessment only when we reach polling day. We know the turnout from each constituency. Then only those become the parameters on which we generally calculate where the trend is headed towards.